I am very privileged and have pleasure in introducing Mr. Wilson Thomas, our guest of honor for this event. Mr. Wilson Thomas is the Managing Director of Zeiss India. You all may know Zeiss India is into manufacturing and supply of reading glasses and other related products. Mr. Wilson Thomas has completed his BE in Electrical and Electronics in the year 1987 under Mysore University in flying colors with distinction, securing the 7th rank in the university. He has also attended program for business managers in Indian Institute of Management, Bengaluru in the year 1998 and 2003, acquiring various skills in strategic management, people management, and leadership skills. Mr. Wilson Thomas started his career in the year 1988 in Siemens India as management trainee and gradually rose up to the post of Chief Manager of Information and Communication Network Division of Siemens Limited. In the year 2004, he left Siemens and joined Zeiss India as divisional manager. His journey in Zeiss India is very dynamic and inspirational. In just 2 years, he took over the position as a Chief Operational Officer for India business. He also became one of the top managers globally in Carl Zeiss. He is currently occupying the position of Managing Director of Zeiss India. Zeiss India also has collaborated with Lions Club and has taken the mammoth task of eye screening of 230,000 persons, and 30,000 spectacles were distributed freely in this Lionistic year. Interestingly, Zeiss India is a co-sponsor for this event. Sir, we are proud to have you in our midst for this regional meet. Let us join our hands and give him a good round of applause and welcome Mr. Wilson Thomas. Thank you.
Bernard, I would like to call him Lion Bernard Shaw. And all dignitaries on stage and off stage. This is the first time I'm attending a program like this. I was very surprised to see the kind of energy and to see the kind of commitment the various teams while presenting the flags had. And it's wonderful to be associated with all of you from our company side. I really have to thank Dr. Vinod Kumar and Lion Bernard Cherry who brought us together. India has more than 50% of adults above the age of 30 who need refractive correction. And only 10 to 12% have got the correction done. And it is really a bane on the society because of lack of awareness and accessibility to care, to eye care, that people are blind. This is really preventable. This is really avoidable blindness, and we should work towards that. I'm very thankful for all the members of the Lion Club and all the participants who worked with my team to make sure that 33,000 students have been screened and we have distributed a number of spectacles. A little bit on Carl Zeiss. I don't know how much all of you know about Carl Zeiss. I would like to mention a few words that we as a company and technology touch your life every day. All of you who have made one phone call today have used our technology, because our technology goes into producing the chips, the IC chips. All of you know about Intel chips. You know, we are familiar about computer chips. So the machines on which these chips are made are enabled with our technology. So today we are the people behind making the computers smaller and smaller and the memory chips smaller and smaller. We touch your lives. If you've driven a car in India, or a bicycle, or a motorcycle, or if you have flown in an aircraft anytime, then we have touched your technology. We have touched your lives. Because we help precision manufacturing. I don't know how comfortable we will be if the pilot announces midway when you're flying saying the engine has stopped. Let us all get on and push the aircraft. This will be a disaster. We can't do that. We can do it on road. So to build in that quality systems, to build in the kind of reliability of these engines, we are a part of that. We touch your lives in many ways, and we would like to continue to give back to society by way of vision care. We partner with, we have started a program called Aloka, under which we partner with multiple NGOs. We partner with hospitals, we partner with foundations, and we are extremely proud to be partnering with the Lions Club, and who have done great work in the area of serving students in the underprivileged society. We wish your tribe continues to increase. So with these short words, I would like to say, when you go for dinner, please remember what Dr. Bhujang Shetty said. Don't queue up on the non-vegetarian side. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Wilson Thomas, sir. Your generosity of helping the Lions in a big way is really helping the society, particularly the poor and the downtrodden, the children studying in the government schools and all being helped out. God bless you.
On the same note, I would like to call Joy Kumkus and Miss Epatra. Please do come.
This honor goes to Mr. Wilson Thomas for their wonderful service and association for about 40,000 people whom we have served. Kindly give him a round of applause.
And we would like to recognize Mr. Joy Kumkus and also Mia Petra.
Friends, a big round of applause, dear Lions.